Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're going to cover how to effectively use the search function in UPBASE. Firstly, you need to locate the search bar. It's typically at the top right corner of the UPBASE interface. The reason we do this is because the search bar is the gateway to accessing any data you need within UPBASE. Once you've found the search bar, type in your search query. Now, this could be anything from the name of a project, a team member, or a specific file. This helps us because UPBASE's search function is designed to swiftly locate anything you're looking for within its database. Now that we've done that, hit the Enter key on your keyboard or click on the magnifying glass icon. Let me explain why this matters. UPBASE's algorithm starts to work its magic at this point, sifting through your content to find matches for your search query. Once the search results are displayed, you can further refine them by using filters. You'll see options to filter by date, file type, team members, and more. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These filters help UPBASE to narrow down the results, making it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Finally, click on the item you were looking for from the search results. The reason we do this is to open the file or navigate to the project or team member's profile you were searching for. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to use the search function in UPBASE. It's a powerful tool that allows you to navigate the platform efficiently, saving you valuable time. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next guide.